Good morning from my hotel room in Chile. Alright, so after 2 weeks on the Amazon River, I'm in Santiago de Chile for 3 days. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna see a lot of friends, or meet some new friends, and just see some places. It's gonna be good. On our flight to Chile. Alright, so I'm currently in Chile, in the airport, go through customs, all that stuff, and to my friend's apartment, and then our hotel. First day walking the streets of Santiago, and I'm at the church.
This is your very first Chilean completo.
The Chilean hot dog lleva.
This is an Italiano, yeah.
Claro.
Put tomato
A
on
no ser que
top.
sea vegetal. Depende, si trabajas en el doggy le llevo un poquito.
Y es práctica.
Lleva
It's
mayonesa.
against the law to not put mayonnaise on top of a completo. Eso. ¿Qué piensas? What do you
Bien.
think? ¿Está rico?
It tastes like a hot dog. I'm good. I like it. So while out exploring the city, I discovered most places in Santiago are closed on Sunday, and 99% of the coffee shops are also closed on Sundays. So I had to resort to Dunkin'. So I'm sitting at this coffee shop in Santiago. It's called Cafe Cultura, and I ordered a pour over, which is usually my go-to at places, especially if they have no roaster. This is my pour over. And it's delicious. This is your PSA to drink good coffee.
What method did you use? The Calita.
Oh, this coffee is amazing. It's like a tomato, very sweet.
My first cup of coffee from Singular Roasters. So far, so good. It's been a goal while I'm here to try to visit as many coffee shops as I can. I've only been to, I think, 3, but it's been a good adventure so far. This one is definitely top of mind. what is this building called? Alright, we're going to the top of the Costanera, which is the tallest building in South America.
Vamos!
Alright, so I am currently on the 62nd floor. This is the tallest building in South America. That's Santiago. Those are the Andes Mountains. This is just crazy being this high up. After 4 days in Chile, heading home. So everybody's staying apart from my kids. My flight's in like 30 minutes overnight, and then back in the States. Back in the USA.